Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about September's favorites. We're already in October. It's insanity. Anyhow, I have a bunch of freaking stuff. Most of the stuff, honestly, is not even new. It's kind of sad. This is actually my second time filming this video because the first time I thought I filmed it and then I realized I must have been on mute the entire time. These are the challenges when you try to film on an iPhone. I will get a camera eventually soon, but it'll be up to you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, fill the algorithm, and if you like my content, maybe it'll get to a point that I will be able to buy a camera for you guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk about September's favorites. Let's talk about all the things that we love during fall. The first product I'm gonna be talking about is a non-makeup related product. It's gonna be the Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Perfector. This is literally for those individuals who are not looking to have a bunch of different products for different types of things relating to their hair. This product is 10 instant benefits. It detangles your hair, first of all. It adds shine to your hair, it moisturizes your hair. It also is a heat protectant. It controls your frizz, it repairs your hair, mends your split ends. How amazing is that? It creates silkiness, and honestly, I stand by every single thing it says. I've been trying this for about maybe 2 months now, and it smells like this beautiful spa in a coconut land. It's inexpensive, it's in the drugstore. You can find it at Ulta. It's like freaking amazing. I'm very minimalist. I go extreme with makeup, but when it comes to skincare and hair care, I'm super like, ooh, this is all I use. All right, for foundation, I have loved so much the Rare Beauty foundation from Selena Gomez. This feels like you have nothing on your skin. It's so lightweight, it's so nice, it's so beautiful, perfect amount of coverage, and so natural. It has this beautiful packaging. It comes with a doe foot applicator, which is kind of annoying. So you do gotta shake it. It makes you feel like your skin, it's like your own skin, but 1,000,000,000,000 times better, but still natural. Like you don't feel cakiness at all in any way. So I've been really loving this foundation. For concealer, I've been super into the lightweight coverage kind of concealer. I've been trying to take care of my, my under eyes a bit. So I've been feeling the mood of like not having a super heavy, cakey concealer. So I've been really loving the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. It's very hydrating, and I really have been enjoying this. It has a little doe foot like that. It covers in a good degree. Guys, I'm sorry I'm like all over the place. I'm not in order because like I said, I refilmed this. So I don't have all the products in front of me as I had when I originally prepared it. So, So anyways, for blush, I want to talk about 2 blushes that I've been loving for the month of September. The first blush is the Wet n Wild ColorIcon blush in the color Mellow Wine. And this is the blush that I actually have on my cheeks right now. The reason why I love this blush, I think it's like so perfect for the fall. The pigmentation is right there. You don't need a lot of it. Look at this tone. This tone is perfect for fall. It gives you that beautiful warm tone, like fallish. I don't know how to describe it. It's like that grungy, you know what I mean? Like that penny looking blush. And then another blush I actually started to fall in love with over and over again. I was super busy. I had company over and I was like super quick doing my makeup. As soon as I applied it, I was like, oh my God, this blush looks so beautiful. This is the MAC SpringSheen blush. And as you can see, it's super old. I've had this blush for like 8 years now. It has like an undertone of a gold peach sheen. You apply it, then you have the gold sheen on top, and it's just like so perfect. I've been using this nonstop during the month of September. I'm gonna keep using this, and I will be repurchasing, yes. For powder, I've been super loving this powder. This is the e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder. You guys, this powder looks so high-end. Look at the packaging itself. I mean, packaging doesn't matter. It's about the content. But seriously, like look at this powder. How beautiful is this? And it comes with like the mirror, comes with like a little sponge here that you can apply it with throughout the day. It's really good for touch-ups. But what I love most about it is how beautiful and sheer it is. Like it's so nice, and it just provides like a perfect velvety coverage. My go-to every single day for the entire month is only like probably $8. Almost forgot to mention this. The Milani Kiss Cheek liquid blush in the color Wine Glow. Wine is the color I've been into during fall. I don't know about you. I hated it at first, but then I started trying it out. The reason why I hated it is because I tried it in the palm of my hand and I was like, oh, what happened to it? It disappeared. When you place it in your cheeks, it actually shows up very beautifully. It's like $10. At first, I was like, oh, that's so hardcore. And then when you apply it though, like when you start blending it, it's just like that beautiful burgundy red with a subtle glow, and it looks so nice with the beauty blender. It's perfect to go with a tinted moisturizer. Add this on top and it's so perfect for the fall. Good one. All right, next for eyes, another product I've been loving is this micro brow pencil from Wet n Wild. At first, I did not like this product, but what I've been loving about this is how easy and quick it does my brows. The spoolie gets everything done so perfectly. It feels almost like a high-end product. I think for the drugstore and for the price, I think it's wonderful, and I've been really enjoying this. Next for the eyes, I wanted to briefly mention this, the e.l.f. H2O, the retractable no budge liner. It glides on so nicely and so pigmented. At the same time, it does have a really good smudge effect to it. I would grab a little pencil brush and I would smudge it, and it does such a good job of it, and it's so inexpensive. This has been my go-to everyday kind of liner. Guys, I've been obsessed with this brush lately. This is the e.l.f. highlight brush. Like, it's like perfect for concealer. So what I love about this brush is the density of this. It's like perfectly rounded, and it really gets into those creases and those crevices. Those bristles really go in there and they blend that concealer out beautifully. This, guys, this is good. So for highlight, I have been loving one highlight. This one is the Jaclyn Hill highlight in the color Bomb the Loose highlight. It's what I have on my cheeks today, and what I love most about this highlight is the fact that it's so beautifully natural. You know, there's highlights out there that just kind of show all of your texture, your pores, your existence. This highlight does not accentuate any of your textures. It glides on very smoothly, and the color is like a perfect gold. I friggin' obsessed with this highlight. I've been using this non-stop. What I love to use with this is my favorite highlighting brush ever. It's the Morphe M501 brush. This brush applies your highlight very liberally and not so densely, because you gotta be careful when you apply highlight, because sometimes you'll go in with a brush that's too dense, like too stiff, and it'll show as a stripe. I use this brush all the time for all my highlights. It's my highlighting brush. Could be considered a favorite. Good. All right. The next brush I've been loving is this one from Eco Tools. What I really love this brush for is for bronzer. It has a perfect shape that really gets into those areas. If you want to do a sharp contour, it's flat enough that you can actually bronze up here in the big ass hell forehead and in the jawline as well. So I've really been loving this. This is the Eco Tools Precision Blush Brush, but I've been loving this for contouring and bronzing. For mascara, I didn't want to love this mascara as much because it's not cheap. It's like $30, but honestly, you guys, Lancome has some of the best mascaras. And the only reason why I even decided to get this is because it was on the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, so it was half off. The big Monseur big mascara, you guys, look at how my lashes are. It really lengthens your lashes incredibly, and it makes them look just like the name of it, big as hell. Look at the doe foot. Oh, that's a weird doe foot. Is it a doe foot? What is this? I don't even know. Look at this applicator, you guys. It, like, the fibers really take all of your lashes and really does something with all of them. Every single one of them. It just literally takes them away to outer space. Love this mascara. Oh, I didn't want to love it so much because now I feel like I have to repurchase it because it's so freaking amazing. For lipstick, I have two lipsticks I would like to talk about that I've been loving nonstop. The first lipstick is the Kylie Jenner Lip Kit. This one comes with, you know, the lip liner. And this one is in the color Bear. Guys, this is the most beautiful nude. It has a slightly hint of a pinkiness to it, but it's such a beautiful lipstick. And I've been using this as my go-to every single day for when I'm running out the door. It's just like a stunning color. Like, it's the prettiest nude paired with the lip liner. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, it's so beautifully paired with its lip liner. The lip liner is a little bit darker, so it just has the most perfect lip combo. I also got this on the Ulta 21 Days because I don't spend $30 on a lip kit. Thank you. But it is beautiful. It is stunning, guys. The second lipstick that I wanted to talk about, this one is Milani Teddy Bear. It is such a beautiful brown nude. Oh my God, it smells like that lip gloss that has like that cherry flavor. It's such a stunning brown pinky nude. I've been using this non-stop. Look at that. So it's so beautiful. I love to wear this with any fall look. I think it's perfect. Well, guys, that completes my September favorites. I cannot believe we're already in October. Where does time go? I have no idea. Guys, thank you again so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe down below if you haven't done so yet, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.